What is that?
I hear the great pumpkin.
What is that? Is that a card from Great Grandma?
I hear the great pumpkin. I hear the great pumpkin. I hear the great pumpkin.
What do you have, Brooks?
I hear the great pumpkin.
Hey, Brooks, what's this? What is that?
There he is.
What is that? What is that?
Open.
But what is that? Tell us what that is.
Is that a pumpkin?
What's this? What is that? Want that open? Okay.
Uh-oh.
Uh-oh. Here we go. There you go. What is that? What are you drinking out of? What is that guy? What is that?
Pumpkin.
What is it?
Pumpkin.
A what?
Pumpkin.
Puntin? Or pumpkin? What is that? Hmm? What are you drinking out of? Say it one more time. Can you get another picture?
What's that?
Pumpkin.
Puntin. Can you say trick or treat? Trick or treat.
Or
Can you say happy Halloween? Say happy Halloween. You want to say hi, everybody? Say hi, everybody.
Hi.
Hi. Say happy Halloween. Okay, can you wave goodbye?
Bye.
Say bye-bye. You gotta wave. Say bye-bye, everybody. Love you, miss you. Molly's tired.
Sir.
She's tired. The little bee's tired. Is this little bee tired?
Sir.
Tired? Say hi, Grandma. Hi, Grandpa. Say hi, all my grandmas and grandpas. Say hi, Aunt Mindy. No? Say hi, Aunt Susie. Say hi, everybody. Bye-bye.